According to GhIPSS, the universal QR code will allow merchants to receive payments by displaying a static QR code generated by themselves or through an enquirer embedded with their details, or by generating a QR code dynamically with every transaction using an electronic device. In addition to the QR codes, merchants shall have unique IDs assigned to them to facilitate receipts via USSD from customers who use feature phones. The Chief Executive Officer of GhIPSS, GhIPSS, tells Citi Business News the interoperable QR code solution will enable merchants to receive payments from various consumer funding sources on any platform.
The QR code. That's a universal QR code. You have a QR code system that is not restricted to a particular financial institution or technology partner. But you have a QR code system that can be used by all. Funds can leave any bank account wallet, any bank account, any wallet, and be lodged into any merchant's bank account or wallet. So once again, it rides on the platform of mobile money interoperability, the financial inclusion triangle. It's such a powerful thing that we have created for the country, creating convenience where you can move irrespective of the bank that the merchant is with, or the wallet that the merchant is with, or the individual shopping. It doesn't matter which bank you are with.
In 2019, GhIPSS processed a total number of 38 million interbank transactions, representing a 42% increase over 2018, in which 26 million transactions were processed. The 2019 performance, according to Mr. Hesse, was driven by the growth in the use of the GhIPSS Instant Pay service to move funds from bank accounts into mobile money wallets, which grew by 1,224% when compared to 2018 volumes. The Ghana Interbank Payment and Settlement Systems Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Bank of Ghana. It was incorporated in May 2007 with a mandate to implement and manage interoperable payment system infrastructure for banks and non-bank financial institutions in Ghana.
One of the striking things that we found is that when it comes to value, the value of transactions that went through eSwitch was huge. We're in the billions, and the volume was about 10 million. Now, if you look at the mobile money interoperability as well, although it wasn't in the billions, but it was in the millions, the volume was higher. So you can see that more value goes through the eSwitch platform. But if you look at the checks or the clearinghouse, you have 207 or so billion, which means that corporate Ghana still prefer to use checks in that regard. Then eSwitch. A lot of, if you look at the mobile money interoperability network alone, between the networks moving funds from one wallet to the other is heavily being used, which means that some time ago when we didn't have interoperability and you could only move from one network to the same network, we were really disadvantaging individuals. If you look at the volume of transactions that went through from one network to another, it's in the millions. Then you look at transactions from a bank account to a wallet and vice versa as well. Then thirdly, you look at eSwitch, funds that reside on eSwitch wallets being moved into a mobile wallet and vice versa. So that convenience that the whole mobile money interoperability, which we call the financial inclusion triangle, moving funds from eSwitch platform to bank accounts and vice versa, bank account to mobile wallet and vice versa, and mobile wallet to eSwitch platform and vice versa, it's something that is really going to serve us a lot. It's our hope that a lot of products and services would be developed around it for the benefit of the country.